Now here we have completed the publisher part. Now let's go to the book part. Okay, book, you know, I already explained what is a book relationship. Okay, book and publisher and author. Okay, okay, one and many relationship. One publisher has many books, many books. One publisher. Okay, publisher and books. One to many, publisher and books. Other hand, one author has many books, many books. Okay, one publisher has many books, one author has many books. Okay, so one to many relationship, right? So how to establish the entity? So here first I'm going to create the entity which is a book. Book entity you have to make table name book. Okay, right. Now here what you are going to do is here I'm going to go to, now here I'm going to go to what the things is here. Here first you have to establish the ID. So the same author ID. So get the same thing. Just paste it over here. So this one should be the book ID. So this is the book ID. Click on this book ID. Second one is a book title. We need only two things. If you want a book title, book, all things you can write it. Book title. Second thing is a book title. Here also column name I write it here. Book title. Title of the book. Character 45 would be fine. After that we need two fields. I have set it over here. After that we have set it as a relationship. Okay, book and author and book. So first go to the author side. That is to implement the relationship book and author. So one author has many books. So what you are going to how to implement the relationship? One author has many books. So you have to implement the relationship one to many relationship. So one to many relationship. Okay, so here you write like this. Here one to many relationship. One author has many books. So here author side one to many. So one, what's the things? Author has set of books. One author has set of books. Okay, one author has set of books. Sorry, one author has, here you have to write list of books. List of books. Okay, one author not set of books, the list of books. Right, one author consists of list of books. What's the thing you have it over here? Or previous program. That set of books I have deleted. One was set of, sorry, not list, you have set of books. Okay, set up one set up, not list, set up. Here not list, just set of books, set. Select this one, press Alt and press Enter key. Okay, one author consists of set of books. One author can write many books. So one author consists of set of books. Okay, so author side. If you're looking for a book side, many to one relation, many to many, many to one relationship. So how to establish a many to one relationship? You write like this. Here, many to one, join column which is ID. Author table ID, primary key, the same ID goes to the book table which is a foreign key. We have to write the foreign key as a join column author ID, which is a author table. So author table. So author table. So author, you have the author. Okay, right. The same thing you have to do as a publisher as well. So publisher as well. The same thing one to one. This one I have tried it. You have to put it a publisher as well over here. Simple stuff. How to write it? One to many relationship. This one should be the publisher. Set of books. The other hand, book site. Same thing, which is a this one is a publisher ID. Publisher ID. This one should be the private. This one should be the publisher. Publisher. That's it. Done it. Now this is the things we have to do it. The thing, right? Okay, so books table. Now what you are going to do? Now I'm going to generate the get and set method at everything. Okay, so here the entity books. Right click, generate constructor, all constructor. Right click, generate constructor. Without ID, you have generate the constructor. Only the third one you have generate the thing is a generate constructor, non-constructor. After that, your constructor. You have to implement the get and set method. Right. After that, we have a string method. You have to generate this all the following things. That's it. That's the thing you have to write. Okay, this is a books table. Okay, now let's run and check it. Let's run and check it. It's working. Now let's go to and refresh the table. So the book table has been created. You can see here. Book ID, title, so all things are created successfully. Okay, it will be created successfully. So the publisher, all things are created successfully. Okay, right, it's working successfully well. Right now, what we are going to do is we have to go to the DTO steps. Okay, the books DTO, select DTO, new class, here book DTO. After that, you select second DTO you have created, book, save DTO. After that, book, update DTO. You create different DTO. Right. Now the book save book DTO. We go to the entity. We have all the things we have. Copy this. Everything. Paste on it here. Book DTO. This one we don't need them. This also need them. This all things we have only the things. Okay. Okay. Books DTO. Book save DTO. We need a this field. Books title ID not needed. So here we have this. Book save DTO. Only the these things. ID is auto increment. So here save DTO, book save DTO. What I this one. But here we have to implement the right the author ID. This one should be the int author ID. This one should be the this is a publisher ID. This all things are int. Right. Now next step the update DTO. That's also all things are copied. Paste it over here. The update DTO. This also the we have this one. Book ID also there. We have write the books ID. constructor. This is how we have implement the DTO as well. In the DTO, we have to implement the this all the constructor, all arch constructor, no arch constructor, and data. Okay, how to implement here book DTO and book save DTO as well, and book update DTO as well. That's it. That's the game plan. I will see you in my next lecture in tech.